Alrighty, we have arrived, and the time has come. We're gonna put downpipes in the 550 to give it more power.
Uh-oh, but first he's gonna put me down.
We're gonna install these bad boys. Wait, am I putting you down?
Yeah.
With the gun? We're gonna install these bad boys into this bad boy to make it faster than that, because he can't gap me right now because I'm too fast for him. And we're being safe out here.
No, bro.
Remember, guys, first things first, put on your safety glasses and let's go. All right, we gotta get the B-roll. We just made our first run back from AutoZone and had to cop the NOS because staying up till 4 a.m. before you do downpipes is not a good idea. We got Kevin.
I'm trying to do stuff here.
Sorry, Kevin's hard at work down there. We got all the intake stuff off up top. We're gonna take out this little shield, took out those O2 sensors, and yeah, we're gonna be making this boy hella fast. This is actually the worst thing I've ever done on a car. We've got one out of the spot, and then this other one is just, I don't even understand. There's no brackets or anything holding it in. You can literally see all the way down through, but for some reason it's just totally seized. We're gonna keep going though. We ain't gonna quit.
But you fine, I'll make you mine. Don't waste my time on the grind. Notice that I'm only with dimes, smoking dope to feel no more.
I have no words. I have no words to explain how much you BMW executives need to fix your shit. This was so unbelievably annoying, but it's gonna sound so unbelievably cool.
That was by far like the shittiest car working on experience I've ever had. That was so, it's just, it would get stuck on nothing. I can't explain.
Literally, I can't even, yeah, exactly. You can't even explain it. It literally looks like the whole way around that it's not stuck on anything. And there's so much tension that even if it's by like just a hair, it literally won't even move. Like, gosh. Shout out to NOS for helping us get through the day. But yeah, well, now it's time to put the new cats in. The non-catted cats.
Don't tell CHP.
Who?
Okay, so now we know that taking the downpipes out is like the really shitty part. But putting them back in is like, it's all just fucking... See, we took its virginity, now it's just, you know, when you put them back in, it's just...
Wow!
That sun splash, bro.
Oh my gosh, yeah, like a slip and slide. Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the roller coaster got stuck.
Hang on, we'll cut back.
What did I do?
See, why was this side so cut? Downpipe update. Where are we at this point?
We've
called upon 2 more friends because we literally could not get this to be anywhere remotely working right. So
I don't like this car.
I'm completely incoherent at this point. We've been out here dying.
Okay, no, you guys, here's the thing. Look at the time. It's almost 11 p.m.
We've literally been
started at noon.
Yeah, we've been out here a while. Start this motherfucker.
No, what the fuck?
No. Oh my gosh. Don't be a pansy.
Hell no.
We've been working on this for 12 hours and you want to not start it right now?
For like an hour for nothing.
Come on, let's go.
Hell no.
Hey,
No.
it was coming out, but it sounded really good, yeah.
It's gonna idle down, trust me. You're gonna give it like 30
just
seconds.
made it worse by turning it off.
Yeah, exactly. Now it's gonna be louder again.
If you want, we can close the garage.
Yeah, it's gonna randomly.
Start the. Oh, that would just kill us. Start the car, bro.
It's 11 p.m.
No, bro. We've been working on this for hours. Start the damn car. Oh, see, that's not bad. Your dad's definitely gonna kill her.
that exhausting, bro.
I
Why just turn it up? It's gonna have a closer to get.
Bro, I am not touching this car, bro.
Hey, were there any codes?
Terrible.
I've been thinking about